Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered stat widget using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a medium canvas for a dashboard widget. First I draw a rounded rectangle using the custom shape tool as the widget base. Then I apply a vertical gradient from dark navy to deep purple for depth. After that I duplicate the shape, move it slightly downward, and darken it to create layers. Now I add smaller rectangular shapes inside for stats and numbers. Next I apply gradient overlays to each stat block using contrasting colors. Then I add soft drop shadows and inner highlights for clarity. After this I align everything carefully using smart guides. Finally I zoom out and refine colors